Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? English Year 4 Kssrpk with our topic gardening by Teacher Nur Hidayah Azmi. Are you ready? Let's go. Content Standards 3.1 Understand specific details in a variety of text types on familiar topics. Learning Standards 3.1.1 Understand the main idea of simple phrases and sentences. 3.1.2 Understand specific information and details of simple phrases and sentences. Objective. After PDPR lesson, pupils can understand main ideas, specific informations, and details of very simple phrases and sentences with minimal support from the teacher. Look at your English textbook, page 42. Let's talk. It is Friday afternoon. Miss Lim and Tawi are at the school garden. Hari ini ialah hari tengah hari pada hari Jumaat. Waktu tengah hari pada hari Jumaat. Miss Lim dan Tawi ada di taman sekolah. Teacher, what is that? That is a watering can. See? Watering can. What is it for? Tawi asking. We use it to water plants. Teacher, apa tu? Itu adalah watering can, penyiram pokok bunga. What is it for? Ia untuk apa? We use it to water plants. Kita gunakan ia untuk menyiram pokok bunga. Look at the bold word. Watering can to water plants. Got it? Okay. Next. Let's read. Gardening tools. Wow, there are gardening tools. What are they used for? Number 1. This is a hoe. We use it to remove weeds. Ini ialah cangkul. Kita gunakan ia untuk buang weeds ke akar pokok. Number 2. This is a wheelbarrow. We use it to move things. Ini ialah kereta sorong. Kita gunakan ia untuk pindahkan barang. This is a lawn mower. We use it to cut grass. Ini ialah pemotong rumput. Kita gunakan ia untuk memotong rumput. Number 4. This trowel. We use it to dig holes. Ini ialah skop. Kita gunakan dia untuk membuat lubang sebelum menanam pokok bunga. This is a rake. We use it to gather fallen leaves. Ini ialah pencakar. Kita gunakan dia untuk menyapu daun yang berguguran. Come, let's read. This is a hoe. We use it to remove weeds. Your turn. This is a rake. We use it to gather fallen leaves. You read. Good. This is a trowel. We use it to dig holes. Your turn. Good. This is a wheelbarrow. We use it to move things. Your turn. Well done. This is a lawn mower. We use it to cut grass. Read. Good job. Okay, this is your homework for today. Just read the sentences and send me a voice note. Hoe to remove, rake to gather, trowel to dig, wheelbarrow to move, lawn mower to cut. Please read all the sentences perfectly. That's all for today. Thank you. See you again.